Hi friends, in yesterday's video we have discussed about fractions, right? We also clearly explained about fractions. If you take a square and if you cut into equal parts, each part is called a fraction, right? So from the whole parts, here if we have four parts, if we take one part, then it is called 1 by 4, right? This 1 by 4 is called a fraction, first part. Okay, from four parts we are taking one part, so this whole thing is called a fraction. And I have also clearly explained about what is the difference between fraction and a rational number, right? Fraction contains in the form of p by q, where p by q is belongs to whole numbers. But coming to rational numbers, with that is also in the p by q form, but where p by q is an integer. So this is about fractions introduction. We have types of fractions. Okay, we have types of fractions. Next, in that, what is the first type? The first type is decimal fraction. Okay, decimal fraction. The first type is decimal fraction. Okay, decimal fraction in the sense, if we write 3 by 10 or 4 by 100, so whatever may be the fraction, the denominator should be always in the form of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that, in the multiples of 10. So then those particular fraction is called as decimal fraction. Clear? So this is the small definition of decimal fraction. What is the next fraction? Proper fraction. Okay, proper fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction in the sense where numerator is less than denominator, then we call it as proper fraction. Okay, where numerator should be less than denominator. Suppose example 1 by 2, okay, or 3 by 4, or 7 by 9. So if you consider these examples, every time the numerator is less than denominator, right? Here also numerator is less than denominator, here also numerator is less than denominator. So these fractions are called proper fractions. Okay, proper fractions. Then if the condition is reverse, then we call it as improper fractions. Okay, improper fraction. What is improper fraction? If denominator is less than numerator, then it is called improper fraction. Suppose 2 by 1, just reverse of this. Okay, 4 by 3 or 9 by 7. So here denominator is less than numerator, so whenever this is the condition, then that is called improper fraction. Okay, just reverse of proper fraction is called improper fraction. Okay, and the next one is vulgar fraction. Okay, vulgar, vulgar, vulgar fraction. Okay, vulgar fraction. What is this vulgar fraction? Same, the denominator, here we have taken denominator as 10, 100, right? Other than 10, 100, 1000, all the whole numbers will come under this vulgar fraction. That is nothing but 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2, other than 10 and 100. Suppose if you write 3 by 10, this will go into decimal fraction. Okay, because the denominator contains 10. Okay, other than 10, other than 100 in the denominator, other than 10 multiples, if you write any fraction, that is called vulgar fraction. Okay, that is called vulgar fraction. Clear? And fifth one, mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction. We have another name for this mixed fraction as compound fraction. Okay, compound fraction will also called as mixed fraction. Mixed fraction or compound fraction, both are same. What is this definition of mixed fraction? It is nothing but a combination of a whole number with a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Okay, suppose it will be in this form, a combination of whole number and a proper function. Proper function definition I have already told you, where numerator should be less than denominator. Clear? So it is a proper fraction and the combination of whole number. This is called mixed fraction. Okay, and 7, 3 by 4, this is also called mixed fraction. if it is in this format, a combination of whole number and a proper fraction, then it is called as mixed fraction. Clear? So, and one more fraction is nothing but equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Okay, what is this fraction? This is nothing but that represents same part are called equivalent fractions. Suppose 1 by 4 is there, 2 by 8 is there. Okay, 1 by 4 is a fraction, right? 1 by 4 is a fraction. 2 by 8, you see 2 by 8, we can cut this 2 by 8, right? 2 ones are 2 fours are. Okay, again you got 1 by 4 only. That means we can write 2 by 8 as 2 times of 1 by 4, right? 2 times of 1 by 4, that is nothing but 2 times. Okay, 2 times of this 1 by 4. Are you able to understand? 2 times. So that's why we can write, this is nothing but equivalent fraction. We can write 1 by 4 or 2 by 8. Both are giving the same result, but the ratio is different. So this is called equivalent fractions. Clear? This is called equivalent fractions. Next one, like fractions. Like fractions. Okay, like fractions. What is like fractions? Fractions which have same denominator are called like fractions. Example, 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7. These are called like fractions because they have same denominators. Okay, if they have same denominators, they are called like fractions. Unlike fractions means, unlike fractions, they should have different denominators. Then we can consider it as unlike fractions. Suppose 1 by 4 comma 2 by 3. This is unlike fraction because they have different denominators. Okay, able to understand? Last two more functions are there. Those are nothing but unit fractions. Okay, unit fractions. What is unit fractions? Unit fractions is nothing but which has 1 as numerator. Then we call this as unit fractions. Suppose 1 by 2, 1 by 13, 1 by 12. So these fractions are called unit fractions because numerator contains exactly 1. Okay, in numerator we have exactly 1. So that's why it is called unit fraction. Clear? Able to understand? So remaining one fraction we will see tomorrow. You practice up to this. Okay, thank you.